Hello. Today we are going to get acquainted with Piktochart service, which allows you to create infographics, reports, presentations, and other visual materials without the need for design skills. Piktochart provides a wide range of templates and design elements, including diagrams, icons, illustrations, and photos, making it easy to create professional-looking materials. The service supports collaborative editing and commenting features, making it easy for teams to work on projects. In addition to graphic tools, Piktochart provides video editing capabilities and automatic design creation using artificial intelligence. Consider the pricing plans. Free plan allows you to create unlimited projects, provides 50 AI credits, access to all templates and formats, the ability to invite up to 3 team members, and 100 megabytes of storage. However, downloads are limited to 2 PNG files. Pro costs $14 per month per member when paid annually, 52% savings over the monthly fee of $29. Includes unlimited PNG downloads, access to over 5 million premium icons, illustrations and 3D graphics, 1,000 AI credits. Downloads with transparent backgrounds, the ability to invite up to 10 team members, and 100 gigabytes of storage. Business. For $24 per month per member when paying annually, instead of $49 when paying monthly. Provides all pro features plus unlimited downloads in PNG, PDF, and PPT formats, unlimited brand color schemes, custom fonts, logos, 3,000 AI credits, branded templates, ability to invite up to 10 team members, and 250 gigabytes of storage. Enterprise offers a customized environment with advanced features such as a personal manager, training, advanced security measures, custom templates, workspace management, the ability to invite up to 11 plus team members, and 1 terabyte of storage. Pros and cons of Piktochart. Pros: intuitive interface that requires no design skills. Wide selection of templates and design elements, ability to work together on projects, availability of a free plan to familiarize yourself with the basic functions. Cons: limitations of the free plan, such as a limit on the number of downloads and storage capacity. Some advanced features are only available in more expensive plans. Piktochart provides note-taking and survey tools, which can be useful for collecting feedback and organizing information. If you want to create quality visuals without too much effort, Piktochart can be a great solution. Try the free plan to evaluate the service's capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put a like to stay up to date with new reviews of useful tools.